Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly convert Ggives to CIMB Bank. First of all, you need to open your Gcash website or your Gcash mobile application. Then you need to go to your Gcash balance or your Ggives balance. Remember that Ggives is for installment payment and you cannot withdraw directly as cash. So to convert it, you can use Ggives balance to buy, load, pay bills and purchase a product from the trusted seller. Then you can ask the seller to transfer the same amount of money to your CIMB bank account through Gcash bank transfer. Now here you need to make sure that you trust the seller 100% in order to avoid any scams. There are some users also buy e-wallet top-ups and cash out through partners who send the money to their CIMB bank account. So always double check the charges and the person you are dealing with. There is no direct Ggives to bank cash out option. So you must use smart steps like these ones. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.